In this demo, we will show how to use the View Expert automatic repair process for repairing a triangle model for 3D printing. In many cases, you get the correct printable model by just running it through the automatic repair process. To show how the automatic repair process works, we first need to open a file. That can be done by File Open command. In this case, we're looking for an STL file, so the file type selection is correct. In case you need some other file type, you can change the selection here, or just use the all files selection, which shows all the different file types. For this demo, we select the dyno connected STL file and click Open to load it into the software. When the model is loaded, the program shows the unit selection window. The default unit is millimeter, but there are other selections available if you know that the unit is something else inside your model file. When the unit is selected, we click OK. And the program shows the operation mode window. The View Expert has two operation modes. The fixed model takes you to an automatic model verification and repair mode. That mode also contains shortcuts to the main tools used for repair work. The View Model mode just minimizes the operation mode selection window and allows you to view the model and then return back to the operation mode selection later. This is useful sometimes for first visually checking the model before deciding the further processing. The normal way to begin repairing a model is to start with the fixed model mode. When selecting that fixed model mode, the View Expert will begin automatic model verification. A progress bar appears, and when the analysis is ready, the Auto Repair dialog with model status message is displayed. The model is verified for errors and divided into separate shells during the verification. In this case, we only get one shell, the dyno connected verified shell, which also contains errors. The display shows red gap curves through the surfaces. You can use different viewing commands when Auto Repair dialog is visible. With the viewing commands, you can see more detail what kind of errors the model has. The model has errors which is indicated by the red icon in the model tree. The correct shells would have green icon. On the right-hand side of the graphics area, you will see the Tools window. Fix Model tab on the Tools window provides shortcuts to the commands available for repair, like repair cells. The Help text window at the lower part of the Tools window also contains information for the required repair actions. Command icons are grayed out while in Auto Repair process. Auto Repair is the best path to follow when repairing everyday models. Automatic Repair will attempt to fix all shells with errors in the model tree, especially when you only have one shell. Like now, you should always try Auto Repair first. The parameters for Auto Repair are automatically set based on the model properties. Normal repair is set because there is only one shell to repair, and fill gaps in all shells is set because there are no open flat cells in the result. Now we can start auto repair by clicking the Yes button in the auto repair window. When auto repair is started, each cell is run through the automatic repair command using automatically calculated parameters. For each cell, a progress bar shows the progress of the repair, and after the auto repair process, the model status message is displayed. During the auto repair, View Expert fills all gaps and removes non-manifold triangles, overlapping triangles, multi-edge triangles, duplicate triangles, triangles having less than 3 neighbors, and so on from the model. Overlapping and duplicate surfaces are analyzed and connected in the optimal way. The Dino-connected STL model only has simple errors like inverted triangles and gaps, which are fully repaired during the auto repair process. The model is now correct and can be 3D printed, as is indicated by the status information in the help text window below the Fix Model tab on the right hand of the screen, and also in the auto repair's end result status dialog. The model status window can be closed from the up right corner cross symbol. Now the model would be ready to be saved in the file and sent into a printer control software for slicing, or sliced inside DeskArtes 3 Data Expert software.